suddenly I'm finding out that the natural world has all of these substances that interact intimately with the human body at the level of the mind, at the level of cellular function, all of these things, how many medicines have their origins in nature. And that again to me was very fascinating, that there could be a molecule somewhere halfway around the world, like say in the Golden Triangle of Laos and excuse me, Burma and that area that at least used to be famous for producing opium poppies before Afghanistan seems to have cornered the market now. But that this little flower that comes from a place where I don't even know anybody, that it produces a molecule that is able to fit like a key in a lock into parts of my body, my nervous system, my brain, whatever. That to me was just like, how can the world not just pause, have a moment of silence to contemplate the overwhelming significance of this? Because if somebody in one of those countries like Afghanistan or Laos or Thailand, if they had a key to my car or to my front door, and they just happen to have a key that fit their front door, and they traveled over here, and we just happened to bump into each other randomly, like humans randomly run into a plant that's psychoactive or bioactive, and they pull a key out of their pocket and they stick it in the lock of my door, and they can open the door to my house. That would be completely amazing. That wouldn't be like, oh, you must have this same kind of house, over there in Thailand, or in Laos or something. It's like, no, we have a house built of sticks, because it's a plant, right? So, the opium by analogy would be like, no, this is the key to our hay barn or something. It's not related at all. So for me, the implications of that were astounding, and they still are.